Good morning, welcome to another video by me, John of JWH Millinery, and this is Countdown to Christmas. So some of you may have noticed I have been wearing this every day in all my videos. Now, too much information, I know, but I don't wear pajamas to bed. I don't wear anything to bed. So, yeah, I can't really show you what I look like when I just get up. So we're not doing that. But that is why, I mean, these are nice pajamas. So, you know, no. We're not here to talk about my bedwear. We're here to day 9 of this advent calendar. So we have day 9, and once again this is a light box, so let's see what we have. So I'm recording this after the video, as somehow my audio got a little bit messed up. So in day 9, as you can see, we clearly have some red crin, and pretty much that was all that was in the box. Also, the question of the day for today was, who's the best milliner around at the moment? And that's easy to answer. That's Stephen Jones. He is amazing. He's very directional. He does something which is very out there with his designs. So yeah, Stephen Jones would be my number 1 pick for the best designer out there. So due to obviously the audio playing up on the footage for today, what I've decided to do is just insert this over the top of what I'd recorded. So thank you for joining me today on day 9 of this Millinery Advent Calendar. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. In the month of December, we are uploading videos every day at 8 a.m. And thank you very much for getting this far, and I look forward to seeing you on day 10 where we open up a new box and let's see what we're getting. Until tomorrow, thank you very much. I'll see you then. Bye.